What's up, guys? Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to deploy your side steps to make them stay extended. This applies to the 2019-2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Limited Edition that has the electronic side steps. If you like our video, don't forget to like down below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for new updates. First, the engine must be started. Next, in the radio panel, click the backup cam button. Next, you should arrive to a screen that says controls. At this point, you should click deploy. You can now safely turn the vehicle off. Once you exit the vehicle and close the door and turn on your remote, the side steps will remain deployed. You may want to ask, why would you want your side steps to remain deployed? One, a deployed side step is easier to clean. Two, a deployed side step makes it difficult for other cars in close proximity to open their doors and damage your vehicle, as the deployed side steps act as a buffer between your car and their car door. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Do you think this is a great feature for protecting your car from damage? Let us know in the comments.